Hello Creative Plate friends. I'm Miss Natalie, a cooking teacher like Miss Tanika and Miss Nigel. We're so glad to be back to share some awesome recipes with you all. The best thing about it is that you can make these recipes with your family. Today we're going to make a fun, fast, and delicious recipe. Can you guess what we're going to make? If you guessed pasta with veggies, you got it. Today I'm going to use two of my favorite vegetables, zucchini and broccoli. Name two of your favorite vegetables. Great. Carrots, onions, bell peppers, or corn. Name a few more. So before we get started, let's start off with knife safety. So we're going to grab our vegetable like a bear claw with one hand, and with the other hand, grab a knife. Take the knife, press down, and go up and down. Again, press down, and you go up and down. Okay. So we add a little oil to our pan. Okay, so we turn our pan on. Add a little bit of olive oil. We have our pasta noodles here. I'm using angel hair. And you can choose whatever seasonings you would like to use. I'm going to use salt and pepper. Add our zucchini in the saucepan. And then our broccoli. Now I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning, pepper, and salt. Just kind of mix everything around in the pan. Make sure everything is cooked on both sides. Wow, that's really good and healthy. Enjoy this meal with your family. I hope you enjoyed cooking with us, and thank you for joining Creative Plates.